Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meals by Mary. In today's video, we're making quick and delicious lamb chops. They are full of flavor and they only require very few ingredients you probably already have at home. So to make these lambs, we're going to need some nutmeg and cardamom, cinnamon, salt and pepper. Start by rubbing all the spices over the lambs and let them sit for about 10 minutes so they soak up all the flavor. You can also do this overnight, but you only need 10 minutes. Now, to actually cook the lamb, we will need olive oil, thyme, garlic, and some lemon. Add your olive oil in a pan over high heat. Once the pan is hot, add your chops and sear them for about 5 minutes on one side, or once they are golden brown. Flip the chops once they are golden brown and let the other side get that beautiful sear too. Don't forget to check them out or check if they are tender. Once they are cooked, add your lemon, garlic, and fresh thyme. If you like your lamb to be medium rare, you can stop here. But I want it to be well done or more cooked, and I want some glaze to it. So to that, I'm going to add half a cup of water. Once you add it, cover the pan and let it simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes. You see the glaze? This is what I want. So what you will end up with is beautifully tender lamb chops with a rich, flavorful sauce. You can serve this as is or with mashed potato or the avocado salad which I made in the previous video. I'll leave the link down below. If you loved this recipe, give it a like, subscribe for more easy and delicious meals, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on the next recipe. Thank you for watching Meals by Mary and see you in the next video. Bye bye.